Okay, this should be the last video that you receive from me. In addition to this video, I'll also send you a link in which your child can click on and complete some activities, some practice problems in it. So we're having our order of operation test tomorrow. This is a review. Ms. Ajar taught this at the beginning of the year, but the 5th grade teachers weren't satisfied with the results, so we retaught it. So we spent the last week and a half reviewing this and practicing this, and we're taking our tests tomorrow. Some of the biggest mistakes I find is that students are not using the order, or they're just rushing through. They're also not looking for key vocabulary, and I'll explain what I mean once I get to slide number 4. So if your child saw this on their screen, the first thing they need to do is write PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, in order that you see it from left to right, addition and subtraction, in order that you see it from left to right. So they need that so they remember the order. So parentheses, I have parentheses first, and I need to do the one with division first. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. That's no longer there, but the rest is, so I have to write it down. I still have parentheses here, so I have to finish that. 21 minus 13 is 8. That's no longer there, but this is, so I have to move it down. 5 times 8 is the only thing I have left, so I can solve. My answer would be 40. Ask your child the order. Make sure they know what order they're solving it in. Remind them to write PEMDAS at the top of their paper. Okay, so let's look at the next one. 36 divided by 9 minus 3. I'm going to go ahead and write PEMDAS to remind myself the order. And that's parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division in order from left to right, and addition and subtraction in order from left to right. So I don't have it. Oh, I do have parentheses. I have to solve that first. So I'm going to solve that. 9 minus 3 is 6. No longer have parentheses. So I bring this down. 36 divided by 6. Well, the only thing I have left is division, so I can solve that. 36 divided by 6 is 6. That would be the answer. Again, remind your child to use the order correctly and to write it down every single time. So let's look at the next one. I have 8 plus 3 times 9 in parentheses minus 5. The first thing I need to do is write PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division in order from left to right, and addition and subtraction in order from left to right. So I do have parentheses. I need to solve that first, even if it's not the first one that I see. 3 times 9 is 27. That's no longer there, but I have to bring everything else down. 8 plus 27 minus 5. I do not have exponents. I do not have multiplication or division, but I have addition and subtraction, and I do it in order that I see it from left to right. So I have addition first. That's going to be the one I solve first. 8 plus 27 is 35. That's no longer there. I bring down the minus 5. 35 minus 5 is 30. Again, make sure your child knows the order. Make sure they write it down as you're practicing at home. They do have a seesaw activity on order of operation that is due today by midnight. Maybe they can solve that and walk you through it. And the next one. Now, when I said they need to know the key vocabulary, what I mean is sum means addition, difference means subtraction, product means multiply, and quotient means divide. So they need to look for those key terms. I like to box them. So this says, which expression correctly shows the sum of 20 and 8 minus the product of 3 and 4. When it says which expression, they should know that they're not solving it. They're just writing down the words in number form. So I have sum, which means addition, of 20 and 8. So I know that I'm adding 20 and 8. Minus means subtract the product of 3 and 4. Product is a vocabulary term they are forgetting. Product means multiply. Multiply 3 times 4. Now I can't leave it like that. I have to put both sides in parentheses. So this gets parentheses, and this gets parentheses. Again, they're just writing down the expression so they don't have to solve it. They do need to be looking for those key words. Sum equals addition. Difference equals subtraction. Product equals multiplication. And quotient equals division. Ask them what those words mean. Okay, the next one. Write as an expression. Again, if it says as an expression, they're not solving it. They're just taking those words and putting them in number form. Add 11 and 3, and then multiply by 5. Well, that one's pretty simple. I'm going to add 11 and 3 first, and that needs to be in parentheses because that's the first thing I do. Then I'm going to multiply that sum by 5. And that's it. I would have boxed this and put multiply over it too. Again, I will send 2 links, a link to this video and a link to some practice problems on a website that your child can practice with. Their test will take place tomorrow. I hope this helps.